everyone, welcome to my live video. This is Sheila M. Bajaj and we're gonna do tarot live today on Facebook. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a numerologist, a tarot card reader, a life coach, a motivational speaker, and today we're gonna talk about needy people. A lot of people ask me questions about how do I deal with a needy friend. I'm a life coach, so you can ask me any question that you're dealing with your life, with your relationships. And you could listen to my podcast. If you haven't already, you could listen to my podcast. It's on iTunes and it's also on Stitcher, on YouTube. And you can watch it, listen to it, whatever works for you. So, a lot of people grapple with needy people. How many of you have needy friends and you don't know how to deal with them? How many of us have friends who are needy and no one knows how to deal with, like, people who are extremely needy and who are very draining? Hi everyone, hi guys. So I recently had a conversation with a friend. So this is how it goes. I recently had a conversation with a friend and this friend was talking about someone else in that friend's life who was extremely needy. And this friend was like, oh my god, this friend talks to me only when he needs help or when he needs someone, when he's lonely. So I guess we're going to talk about needy people a little later. All of you who are tuning in for the first time, how it goes is you're going to share this video on 10 or more groups. Then you become a sharer. Once you're a sharer, then when Facebook gives you a sharer badge. And if I'm drawn to your question, if I'm drawn to your name and your question, then I'm likely to take your question. Also, if your name's some sort of familiar, then I'm likely to take your question. So share this on all your groups, guys. And if you haven't liked this page, make sure you go ahead and like the page. For people on Instagram, you can send this to all your friends so your friends join in. I'm actually planning to do, I have an instrument actually that does energy projection. And so I'm planning to do a live, session where people just tune in to Instagram and they're just going to receive the healing. So I'm going to do this sometime for, I don't know, I haven't decided. And my thoughts keep floating around, so I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that healing. Maybe I'll do it for people who are prone to CV19. Maybe I'll do it for people who are going nuts because of all the crazy things that are happening in India. How many people feel that it's just crazy? We have locusts in North India. We have earthquake happening. Like, I already warned everyone in the beginning of 2020. I think it was Jan 17th, the episode, where I said, this is not going to be a smooth year. And it's not a smooth year. And even sometime back on my study group, when they were talking about some crazy, batshit crazy things happening, I said, there's more to come. I didn't say the worst is yet to come. I said there's more to come. A lot of people freaked out. Yaar, maze karo, yaar. Find something to focus on. That's all you can do. You can't be freaking out on all this crazy nonsense. है ना? सब लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. Everyone needy in any context in this havoc situation. Emotional support, financial, blah blah blah. I've had some friends who deceived me and caused me intense pain, and my family, we were framed. What to do? Okay. So, yes, there is lots of stuff happening. Sonic boom was one more crazy thing that happened in Bangalore. Suddenly, dhamad, one sound happened. Crazy, na? Like the earth farted or something. सब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि क्या हुआ earthquake हो गया, ये हो गया. मैंने बोला earth ने fart किया है बस. The earthquake felt was terrible. I actually experienced an earthquake once when I was in Delhi. Oh god, it is crazy. If you're exploring in consciousness, then it is necessary to pay attention to astrology. Isn't the path of consciousness beyond astrology? Consciousness encompasses everything, Roshan. It doesn't exclude anything. Consciousness encompasses, is very inclusive of everything. It includes it all, from astrology to numerology to healing to this to that to this to that to that, everything. Which is why I do so many different things, because my ultimate goal is consciousness. So today we're going to do tarot live here on Facebook after a very long time. I'm going to wait for people to jump in, and I'm going to talk about needy people today. So I realized this concept of needy people a long time ago. What are needy people? You have friends who only will call you when they need you. They will call you, they will talk about their stuff, and then they're done. So needy people can be extremely draining because they're not interested in what's going on with you. They don't care about what's going on with you. I have certain needy friends in my life who will only call me and just talk about their nonsense. And I'm not even actually paying attention to what they're saying. Needy people can be extremely exhausting. Needy people drain your energy out. After you talk to them, a friend who's needy, you'll feel like a truck hit you and went away. So I stay away from needy friends. If you're one of my needy friends and you're on this Facebook live, and if I've been staying away from you, you know why. Because needy people don't care about what's going on in your universe and your world. They don't ask you, hey, what's up with you? What's happening with your kids? What's happening with your hair? Like, is your hair curly or is it straight today? They don't care about your relationships, your health, your whatever. They only care about what's going on in their world. They puke, and then they're done. So, everyone has needy friends that just suck energy out of them. And after they finish rambling about them, they're actually very selfish, self-centered people. And they can be extremely exhausting, and they can be extremely bad for your energy, because you have these energy cords with them and you'll always be getting drained. So please do a meditation, do a chakra meditation. Very soon I'm going to have a cord cutting meditation up on YouTube, so that you're able to cut cords with such people. If you don't have any access to meditation, please get the cord cutting spray from my store, shop.sheila.com, by the way, before people start asking me, and spray it on yourself, on all your chakras, because you otherwise are getting drained out. All your yummy energy is going into faltu people. Alright? So needy people are only about themselves. They are very annoying. Like, I have 2 phones, right? I don't give them my personal number. I only give them personal number, and I hardly pick up that phone. So earlier people, if they had my personal number, they were all like, khush, arey, Sheila ka personal number mil gaya. And little did they realize that I have personal phone. So if you don't have that, stop drinking my milkshake. So if you don't have that wala number, then forget it. Then you're probably one of those people who suck my blood. So, there was this one time, there was a friend's someone, who'd always be very needy, come and ask me questions. It's like you've come home, you're talking to me, and you're just asking about feng shui and this healing and that thing. At the end of the whole transaction, I was so drained. I was like, अरे यार घर पे भी बैठ के काम करो, and I just felt like at the end of that transaction, I came back to my room and I messaged Janki that time, and I said my blood has become powder, because that person literally, like, sometimes you feel someone sucked your blood and went away. So that's how needy people are. They can really drain you out. And my job itself, like my work itself, I deal with a lot of needy people. And imagine if you have friends who are also needy, and then you have family who's needy, and then you have relatives who are needy, and a whole bunch of janta needy people. So yes, energy vampires. They're called energy vampires. Alright, people. And remember one thing, guys, everyone here, if you're dealing with someone who's needy, you have to remember energy always flows from a higher level to a lower level. So if you're dealing with someone needy, guess what? At the end of the transaction, you're going to feel that, and that person's going to feel good, and you're going to feel like lamlate. And after you feel lamlate, what happens? That person is gone. They're feeling like $1 million, and they're like, oh my god, I feel so better, I feel so good, I feel better talking to you. And uske baad kya? You'll be like lamlate sitting on the road and feeling like one truck hit you and went. What's the point? So, just stay away from friends who are so needy, because energy flows from a higher level to a lower level. These are energy vampires. they're gonna suck your energy, suck you dry and go away. Stay away from them. When people call you only for matlab, keep them away. Keep them at a barge pole distance. Like, I just behave so like non-communicative, you know, like the other person feels ke ye zinda hai ki nahi hai on the other line, because I just switch off, I just zone out. So preserve your energy and stay away from those people. Okay, now I'm going to read messages. I can't read messages all the time because I'm dyslexic. So if I read messages, I can't talk, and if I talk, I can't read messages. Have you guys, any of y'all ever realized that if I'm reading messages, I can't talk? So it's only one department that works at a time. Both don't work at the same time. Okay. So guys, share this on all your groups. I can see a lot of people asking me questions, but they aren't sharers. And how to deal with such kind of people if they are your close relatives? Just avoid them. Don't open the door when they come. Don't open the door. Or just go and sit in your room and say, घर पे कोई नहीं है. घर पे कोई नहीं है. That's so cool, right? Like, nobody knows my address. Most people don't know where I live. Like, they probably know the building, but they don't know where I live. Like, which apartment number. किसी को नहीं पता. मैं किसी को बोलती भी नहीं हूँ. Imagine people just land up at your door, yeah. So, okay, so let's do this. Let's do tarot now. But guys, share this on all your groups so that we have a lot of people on this live stream. And we're going to do tarot live. We're doing tarot live after a very, very long time. So we're going to do some really intense readings. All the people who are crazy about tarot, I am teaching a master class. Okay, and you can join in tomorrow. It's 30th of May at 2 o'clock. So I would say tomorrow morning would be probably the last registration. Maybe around 12 o'clock would be the last registration that we would take, or maybe 1 o'clock, maybe even last minute 2 o'clock. So anyone who wants to learn tarot, anyone who wants to take this up professionally, you can learn it. I'm gonna ask Samir to put in the link of the Tarot Masterclass group. I'm still taking students because I do this course only once in 6 months. Alright? Because it's a really, really demanding class. Ekta Sujnani, by the way, which apartment do you live in? मैं नहीं बताने वाली. मैं क्यों बताऊं? Unless you're gonna send me mango. And if you're gonna send me mango, then I will give you my mom's apartment number so nobody drops in at my door. So I can meet you at the side gate, like, of my building. I can meet you there, like, from the gate and say, hi, thank you for the mangoes. So yes, it's an online class, Riti. It's on Zoom, and we have a batch of over 20 people now. The more the merrier, because more questions. We're going to probably take longer to complete the class. I'm thinking at least 2 months. And it's going to be a very intense class. It's super easy. People joined in after we started and they caught up because there was a video. So people can still join in, and the class is at 2 o'clock tomorrow. So there's a group, and Samir will post the group ID, like the Telegram ID. So the first thing, guys, is please make sure that you download Telegram. Don't say the link is not working. For people on Instagram, it's on my bio. If you want to join the class, it's in my bio. You know, I know, like, people on Instagram always say link in bio. So it's in bio. That's where it is. Link in bio. So on people on Facebook, Samir is sharing the link right here. Otherwise, if you just go down, if you just take a little bit of trouble, go down the page, you'll find it. Thank you, Divya. That's so sweet of you. I was kidding, okay? Like, I was so kidding. And guess what card falls out of my deck? Guess which card falls out of my deck? Ta-da! Adventure. So cool, right? The adventure card falls out, which means that I'm going to have some adventure in my life. So the cards don't lie. All of the people who have never got a reading done, I have a phenomenal panel of tarot card readers. I'm going to stop mentioning their name because people say you chant their name. So I'm going to stop mentioning their names. So go to tarot.sheila.com. I also have another gang in training and who are junior tarot card readers. So I can't be mentioning 10 names in my live video. Imagine, now I say like Ekta Janki Riya, but then later on I'm going to be telling you 10 names, is it? That's crazy. Okay, so Neeti Singh says, what if your child is the energy taker? Children are always needy. Children are always needy of our time and energy. And when your child is extremely needy of energy, give them that energy. Hug your child and say, whatever energy you need from me, take. And flow energy through yourself to your child. Let your child sort of like just suck it in, like absorb. Just say, like, whatever energy you require from me, take it in. And you'll notice that after some time your child will absorb how much ever they need, because they're not getting enough energy from you. Once they get enough energy from you, your child will not stick to you and cling to you anymore. All right? Can you please suggest any remedy for pregnancy? I don't understand your question. Is that to get pregnant or during your pregnancy? Today I was doing some stuff with my online store. I was updating some stuff. I just learned a new thing of, like, I just suddenly became really tech savvy. And then I was doing something and I called my little one who's 6 years old, and I was teaching him how to, like, to upload stuff on my online store, shop.sheila.com. Okay? And guys, there's someone saying, Kritika Krishna says the link is not working. You have to download Telegram and then click on that link. So my little one, like, I'm showing him how to do it. And after one time of me showing it to him, there was a product that he added himself to the online store. So imagine that, like, children are a different level. So if you want to do something during your pregnancy, there are a bunch of things that I did during my pregnancy. And if you raise your consciousness during the time that you're pregnant, your child will be namunas like my 2 children. Lots of people ask me, aapne kya khaya, aapne kya kiya? But it is really the consciousness work. Samir says, Zubin is a brain bomb. I completely agree. He's a brain bomb. You should ask him for financial advice. He will tell you. Like, I have videos of him advising us on what to do so that people don't cheat you. So, yeah. Okay, let's take the first question for the day and the first sip of mango milkshake for the day. Okay, I have to do so much of extra workout just to burn these calories that I put into my body. Socho yaar, the problems that people face. Mango time. Okay, any remedy to get pregnant? One of the awesome remedies that you can try, which has worked for innumerable number of people, is to activate your west sector of your house. Okay, and there is something called a remedy which is called a picture of 100 children. There's also fertility elephants. And there's the Buddha with the babies on top of it. I don't think you get them in India. Alright. So get that and put it in the west sector, and you'll notice that, the energy there is changing. Make sure you don't have a kitchen there or a bathroom there. Remember, when it comes to Feng Shui and Vastu, if you have a kitchen or a bathroom in the wrong place, a drain in the wrong place, one area of your life will be doing one little chakkar. Okay, I'm gonna look at missing my frozen bottle. यार पानी नहीं दिया किसी ने, पता है ठंडा पानी है ही नहीं. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the first person. I'm looking for the first person who I'm gonna feel drawn to. Guys, go down Gurji. If you're wondering about the link, please go down a few postings. Go to the tarot posting that I put today, which has like a, it's okay, just give me water, I'm really thirsty. So just put that, and you just go down and you will find the Telegram link. It is the elephant with the trunk down. You want to have babies, Samir? So quickly? Hello? Shadi to kar lo pehle. No, actually you don't need shadi to have baby. Sorry. Maaf kar do. Okay, so guys, for Tarot Masterclass, if you're looking to learn Tarot professionally, you can still join my masterclass. We've done one class. We've done like, I think 6 cards. There's a video for it. You can catch up. You can do it at any time. You can finish these cards and then do that. There's no sequence to learn really. And the class starts tomorrow at 2 o'clock. We have a really, really highly energetic group. And if you're really good, I absorb you into my team. There are lots of people doing their internship, so if you want to join the Tarot Masterclass, I welcome you to my class. You have to do the entire 4 modules if you want to intern with us and if you want to join my team. If you just do 1 module, then you can't work with me, or you can't apply to work with my team. Okay, the first person that I'm gonna take for today. Thank you. And I'm drinking from a glass. This is not my favorite color. I have pink and I have purple and I have blue and I have yellow. But I don't like the yellow. I like colored glass. Even in my office, I have colored glasses to drink from. So sweet, yeah. Your videos are very inspirational. I have never been into Facebook live videos, but whenever I get a notification that you've started a video, I'm kind of drawn to join in. So sweet, Kirti. And I love people like you who love listening to my putter. Okay. And who's the person that I'm gonna take? Everyone's asking me such general questions. Okay, Devika Verma, I like your question. I want to know about my relationship with Anurag Sharma. Please tell me कि सब ठीक होगा. And actually, I have a respectful table here. You know, at some level, Devika, it feels like you are, you know that there's something on the outside, but like you're kind of standing on the other side and you're wondering ki मैं क्या करूं? Like, you know the solution to your problem and you feel like there's a barrier. You're not going from like one end to the other end, or it's like something that's blocking you to open the door, or for both of you all to open the door. It just feels like there's some kind of thing separating either your relationship from you from your relationship, something. And I feel like there are certain actions that you need to take, and this relationship definitely has some kind of divine blessing to it. 100%. I'm going to ask you to light a candle at the Temple of Miracles, Devika. It's almost like there's some calling, like as if Papa Alego is calling you and saying, yahan pe candle light karo. We have a daily candle service. Every single day we have a candle service. You can fill out the cognito form and participate in the candle service. Papa Alego is a very, very compassionate deity. I also see that things are going to come together, but it's going to take some time. It's like as if you have a list of things to do before it comes to that level. I'm going to ask you to put aside all the nazar, all the thought forms and all the crap people are dishing out on you and putting on your head. Not going to help. Please do a salt bath every single day. Cut cords with people. Do the bay leaf ritual, because it's going to remove all the nazar. 100%. Matlab, if you participate in the candle service in our temple and do the black candle, make sure you do the black candle service, alright? Because when you do the black candle service, something crazy happens to the candle. I'm going to actually tell everyone here, because of the confusion, because of some gadbad happening when doing the black candle. Please do not do the black candle on your own. Please get it done at the Temple of Miracles. There's a cognito form that we keep posting. Please participate in that. Join the 5D healing group. There is cognito form, posted there. On my Facebook group. कहीं पे भी ज्वाइन करो. बे लीफ रिचुअल वाला फेसबुक ग्रुप है. कहीं पे इतने लोग हैं, मतलब हम we are not able to like consolidate stuff. But guys, do not try to do the black candle. There are lots of people having bad thing, like that energy is kind of bouncing back on them. Black candle is to remove kachra. You're not knowing how to do it properly. Mat karo apne aap. I know I did a video. I actually went back and chopped that part, because I'm going to actually conduct a class where I will teach you the proper method on how to do candle magic. Okay? Till then, please get it done at the Temple of Miracles. We do candle magic, and there's a special power that Papa Elegua has. No matter how much you do candle magic, the power of lighting that candle in the Temple of Miracles is next level. So many miracles have happened for people. I feel like there's some aspect of this relationship that needs healing. Yeah, kuch gadbad hai. Please light a candle, and I'm gonna ask you to get a detailed reading from one of my tarot card readers. Go to tarot.sheila.com, and I'm definitely sensing that you need a more detailed reading. All right. I hope this helped, and I'm gonna look for the next question. I stopped reading tarot. Like I feel sometimes like, मतलब बहुत मस्त था यार. I felt good reading today. I felt like there was a flow. I actually don't read cards anymore in my center. So if any of you want to get your cards read, please go to tarot.sheila.com. tarot.sheila.com. All right. I'm going to look at some here. Pranjal says, Sheila ma'am is such a wonderful teacher, guys. She's so patient with us and everything fits into the brain like an imprint. Thank you, Pranjal. The class is going to be awesome. Very must energy in the class. I agree. I completely agree. It's like a house on fire. And the tarot class is something that you learn professionally. You can do it. It's a life skill that you learn. And if you think that you've always had this inkling to do something on the side, empowering people, I'll tell you something, people, okay? Everyone's so conjuice and they don't want anyone else to learn because they're threatened that, they'll probably not have work. How many ever doctors there are in this world? There are still too few. Even earlier when, many years ago, when I read tarot, I used to teach. Even in the year 2007, 2005, 2006, I taught tarot. I was never threatened that someone else, I'll have more tarot card readers and mera dukaan band ho jayega. Because how many tarot card readers you're going to have in the city? There are still too few. So you can never have too many tarot card readers. But there are going to be a lot of, faltu tarot card readers because there are people who are going to learn it from YouTube. There are going to be people who are going to buy a book and learn it. And would you ever go to a doctor who learned how to become a doctor from YouTube or who learned how to become a doctor from a book? So, okay, Amit says, why are you scaring people when you cut cords with Archangel Michael? Every negative thing disappears. How will people go to some temple? We're not asking you to come to any temple, Amit Sabarwal. We are saying fill up a form. Okay? Our temple trustees and volunteers light the candle on your behalf. Hindi mein bolu? Koi aur bhasha mein bolu? I said fill out a form, a cognito form. And we light the candle on your behalf. Nobody comes to the temple, so you don't have to worry. And yes, Archangel Michael cuts cords brilliantly. You can invoke him, you can spray the cutting cord spray, you can do all of that. You can actually get to a healer who can cut your cords. You can do all of that. There are hundreds of things. But there's, everyone finds one thing that they resonate with. And, here, I'm not forcing people to follow something that I do, but it is something that thousands of people are following. And for people who don't know and don't have a direction, you could try what I'm suggesting. Light a candle, and lots and lots of people have seen a drastic difference in their life at the Temple of Miracles, which is the first Yoruba temple in India. And Amit, I'm going to suggest to you not to say anything against Papa Elegua, because he is a really, really powerful deity. Do not say anything against Papa Elegua. यहाँ पे उनके बहुत बाउंसर्स हैं, तो मत बोलो कुछ भी. पापा से पंगा मत लेने का. Okay, why fill up a form when Archangel Michael helps his own? अरे बॉस, आपको कौन बोल रहा है यार? अमित, आपको कौन बोल रहा है? आप मत करो ना. आप मेरे लाइव वीडियो पे क्यों हो? आप अपना टाइम वेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हो? 341 लोगों के बजाय I'll have 340 people, or sorry 350 people के बजाय I'll have 349 people. So chill. आप जाओ, no problem. We won't miss you. I promise we won't miss you. We really won't miss you. And even if we really miss you, we will not call you back. Promise. ठीक है? Okay. So much for people who have no other better work. Okay. But yeah, Archangel Michael, I'm not going to deny what this guy is saying. Archangel Michael is brilliant. Anytime you are doing a meditation for cutting cords, there is no cutting cords that happens without invoking Archangel Michael. He is brilliant. And we actually teach you how to work with Archangel Michael and all the other archangels when you do the tarot workshop, when you do the tarot masterclass, because you learn how to invoke different energies and depending on what energy you need. But we don't need Amit on our live video. Thank you, Amit. We won't miss you. Okay, I'm going to look for the next person. Samir is laughing. I have lots of people who are laughing. Thank you guys. आपकी वजह से ना मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस इतना अच्छा है कि मैं एक दिन हम होंगे कामयाब. I can do stand-up comedy or maybe sit-down comedy. Okay, Dipali Shah, I'm going to do your question about when will I get married again. One question from Instagram. One question. People on Facebook, there are lots of people sending me questions. Guys, you have not shared this. You're not a sharer yet. So I'm not likely to take your question. If you're not a sharer, I'm ignoring you. I'm ignoring you guys. Okay, the next question is for Dipali Shah. You know, Dipali, I just feel like you need to slow down. You're just going into this bhaga-dodi mode. You know? You're just going like running. They're like waiting for something and then you're pushing the guy away. You are pushing the person away. So I'm going to ask you to slow down. And it feels like you have to make some choices. Some gadbad happens. I don't know. There's something with your date of birth. There is some planetary issue here. 100%. My cards never ever lie. So Dipali Shah, I'm going to ask you to get a numerology name analysis before you get a correction. So you can call my office and you can opt for a numerology name analysis. Else you can just opt for a name correction because I do see planetary gadbad for you for sure. It's showing in my cards. There is a planetary gadbad. Also, I see like you don't have any peace of mind. I feel like as if, man mein shanti nahi hai. And the need of the hour here is for you to sort of work on yourself. The first prescription I'm going to give you, Dipali, is for you to listen to my podcasts. Everyone, if you are seeking something in your life and it's not happening for you, it's just not happening. You're seeking something. You're going from pillar to post. You're going from tarot reader to tarot reader. You're going from numerologist to astrologer to feng shui to this one and to that one. Stop. The first things first, stop. There's some gadbad here. Please listen to my podcast. It's free. Like sale, right? It's free. It is for all the people out there. Even today I had someone tell me that it's a game changer. Please never stop doing it. Please go ahead and listen to my podcast. All 24 episodes. And it's a prescription for you. Listen to it and you will be able to change the core vibration in you and you'll start to attract or repel something different. Right now ना जो vibration में थोड़ा लफड़ा है, थोड़ा लोचा है वहाँ पे, इसलिए यहाँ पे ऐसे क्रॉस वायरिंग हो रहा है. आपके vibrational energy में गड़बड़ है. If you're not attracting the right thing in your life, there is a गड़बड़ in the vibration. That locha has to change. And that will happen if the mindset changes. So please listen to my podcast first. Alright? And so yeah, please do that. And Dipali Shah, I'm going to suggest that you get a tarot card reading from one of my tarot card readers, tarot.sheila.com. They are brilliant. And now I have another batch of brilliant people, mushrooming. Like they've just done my tarot class earlier and now they're like already ready to read professionally. So I have another team who's going to be ready to read. But I'm going to suggest that you just go to tarot.sheila.com and get a reading done. Alright? Okay, back to Facebook. Naraz mat hona. All the guys who Dhananjay Gujarati says, marry me. Marry me. You're telling Kanika to marry you. Guys, don't propose to people on Facebook. You'll get blocked. If you come onto my live stream and propose to people or propose to me, you'll get blocked. So unless you want to get blocked. इतनी बेइज्जती होती है यार कोई ब्लॉक कर दे तो. मतलब अपने आप को थोड़ा प्रोटेक्ट करो. ऑनर योर सेल्फ. And don't propose to people. Please don't post sleazy, cheesy stuff on my wall. है ना? कोई और जगह में जाके करो. So धनंजय गुजराती, sorry, I am going to block you. आपकी बेइज्जती हो रही है, but we don't accept marriage proposals on this. And that's really harrowing people, yeah. क्या क्या होता है मेरे पेज पे. Okay, next person that I'm going to take is Shivika. My husband is planning to start a new business. Should he do that, and what is he planning to? And he is planning of poultry farm. Okay, let's see. Poultry farm. What's your husband's name, darling? Kamal Rajput. Okay, let's see what is in store for Kamal Rajput. And for all of you who are sending me so many questions, please share this on all your groups. Do not share it on my Bayleaf Ritual and my 5D Healing group, guys. वो मेरा ही group है. मतलब ये क्या है? आप मेरे group पे share करोगे. So, yeah. So please share it on all your groups, and then I'm likely to take your question. Sheila says, it sounds like Sheila, but her name is Sheila. Sheila says, hi Sheila, loving BLR. It's a routine. Been doing it for a while. 5D healing has been great as well. Thank you so much. Urge everyone to try it. Just started lighting 6 ghee lamps too on Fridays. So awesome. Like, अभी मैं इसकी fan हूँ क्योंकि when people follow the stuff that I teach, you know, following is half your battle won, guys. Being receptive. You know, it's like you've opened up yourself to a different dimension. And then you start to do this, you know, magic is bound to occur with that positivity, that optimism, that receptivity. And then, you know, you're following all the stuff that is out there. Amazing. Imagine the kind of energies you're invoking. Awesome, Sheila. Very proud of you. Good to go. Okay. Who was I going to do reading for? मैं भूल गई. I had a brain freeze for a second. Who was that I was doing reading for? Oh, poultry farm. Poultry farm. La 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 la. कहाँ गई यार पोल्ट्री फार्म. यही होता है. डोंट. Okay, Shivika. Shivika, I'm pulling out cards for your husband. And for all the people out there, if you haven't got your sharer badge, share this on all your groups, and then only I'm likely to take your question. Okay. So Shivika, from what I'm seeing here, I feel that it's not the right time to start this poultry farm. I don't know what your husband's planning to start, but I don't see it's the right time. I feel like someone's guiding him. कोई तो उसको बोल रहा है ऐसे करो वैसे करो ये करो, but please किसी की बात सुनना मत, किसी के साथ invest मत करना. I'm going to scroll to see what she's saying. Okay, I don't know where Shivika is. If it's not this, then what do you suggest he should do, ma'am? Okay. अभी टाइम नहीं है यार. मतलब it's not the time. Seriously. And frankly, Shivika, in a live video like this, I've not seen your husband's picture. I've connected with his energy through you. So I'm sort of reading the cards on that basis. मुझे ऐसे ना ये fantasy लग रहा है. So I'm not saying that this business is completely bad, but someone seems to be misleading him. All right. So अभी के लिए मैं बोल रही हूँ मत करो क्योंकि बहुत पैसा बर्बाद होगा. And that's what guys tarot is about. We warn you so that you don't go and burn a lot of money. You know, people say, अरे reading इतना महंगा. But सोचो, if you went to a tarot card reader who's like बकवास and then they gave you the wrong guidance. सोचो, imagine कितना पैसा बर्बाद हो सकता है. So make sure that you go to a legit reader, okay? And you know, if I would suggest Shivika, please get a reading done from one of my team members. I have 3 tarot card readers. They are on tarot.sheila.com. Please go and consult them. All right, 3 of them are brilliant. Please get a reading from them. they will actually pull out your cards आराम से 15-20 मिनट के लिए और बताएंगे. They'll do a SWOT analysis on what business is good. See, here I can't give you like undivided attention. मेरा attention बहुत divided है, कुछ ज़्यादा ही divided है. Okay guys, I'm gonna wait for the next question. कितने लोग इंस्टा पे बोल रहे हैं. So I was feeling so unwell today. 101 fever, no corona. मतलब, you know, it's so important to say I had fever, no corona. Today people who have fever na, they'll be freaking out, they'll be shitting pants because like arey corona. But do you notice that people are less paranoid now, guys? Haven't you noticed? Like the cases have increased, but it seems like people are less paranoid. You know, because it really takes, like there was something that, there was this awesome thing that my husband shared with me, which I should talk about, but it's on my phone and I can't remove it. Like I can't look at it now. I was feeling so unwell today, and post the healing session tonight, I feel it's all gone. With every session, the pain is getting better as well. Thank you, SMB, for doing what you do for us. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for writing this here, because fifth dimensional healing is truly the Rolls Royce of all healing. You know, fifth dimensional energy is really, really next level. So thank you, and you know, it also depends on your receptivity. It doesn't so much only depend on the healing, because everyone receives the healing. This is a mass or a group healing session. Everyone will receive, and the energy is so intense. Whilst doing the healing, sometimes मुझे लगता है कि I'm spinning like in a tornado. So, but thank you for sharing your feedback, and for people who want to join the fifth dimensional healing sessions, Samir, please post the link so people can join, and we will be posting it on this video later. So go back to the video and then you can, or you can just scroll down my page. You'll find it, guys. There's not much on my page. There's bay leaf ritual, there's 5D healing, there's the tarot masterclass. You know, even though we do 100 different things, we like to focus on 3-4 things at the same time. Okay, I want to do tarot card learning. Please let me know, is it good for my career, as I'm getting lots of dreams about this. I see you often in my dreams too, after I thought of doing tarot. Sometimes when it's something that's good for you, there is a divine force that will show you a sign, Sakshi. Okay, Sakshi Bajaj, just like Bajaj. I like it. Maybe I'm going to adopt Bajaj. I like Bajaj. It's like a new twang, like a little tadka to my Bajaj. So, you know, it's a sign. Like when you ask divinely, like some time back, I was asking Papa for Papa Elegua. I was praying to him and asking him for something, and it shows up in my life. So, you know, when you ask for a sign from the higher beings, when you see me in your dream, it's because it's a sign that they're trying to show you that maybe this is like your soul's path. So, you know what, your mind may not be ready for it. Like when I got into Reiki, I was so young, I was just out of school. But, you know, the soul is ready for it. And then the universe will send you signs to kind of pull you and get your attention. So it's up to you to listen to it or just say, ignore, block, ignore. But, you know, I would suggest people not to ignore whatever the sign is. Sometimes you could be dreaming that you're getting a reading done, or you're dreaming that you're wearing something. It's a sign. Read into the subtle signs of the universe. I'm going to give people a really nice exercise to do. All right? Before you go to bed, try to ask a question of what is it that is good for me? What should I be doing to going to the next level or to sort out this problem? Or what should I be doing to earn more money? Or what should I be creating? Go to bed with that question in mind. You can even write the question down with a purple pen on a little piece of paper and fold it and close your hands like that, like put it in between your hands and invoke all of your guardian angels, archangels, your spirit guides, you know, holy masters, you know, invoke your gurus, invoke the people, the spiritual beings who assist you, and ask them to give you an answer to this, and you'll feel like a little, you know, buzz of energy. You can also visualize some energy from them sort of like going into this, and then keep it under your pillow, sleep over it. Like they say, sleep over it. I'm actually making you sleep over your question. and either you'll dream of it or you'll wake up in the morning with a very clear answer of what you need to do. This has always worked. Always worked. And if you're so confused, Sakshi, get a reading from Ekta, Janki or Riya and ask them, you know, is this my direction? Is this my path? You'll get a clear answer. I promise you. Da-da-da-da. Mango milkshake. Okay. Same question. I'm reading again. Why do I keep connecting everything with numbers and numerology? Is it an indication that the universe is trying to give me, or am I overthinking? People just get OCD about numerology, like over the top and OCD. I'm not OCD and I'm not OTT. But it's good that you shouldn't be. Like, try not to be, you know, over the top with this at least. I like the quality of questions in Instagram. Sorry guys, but I really like the quality of questions because people are asking some interesting stuff. Not anymore. I spoke too soon. It seems like the same question 25 times. So, sorry, I spoke too soon. The best part is you answer even the most silliest questions on Telegram. Like you have loads of patience. Thank you. Somebody realized I have patience. बहुत patience रखना पड़ता है. You know, I've seen admins going like losing their cool. And I said, यार सोचो कितने सालों से हम लोग ये काम कर रहे हैं. You can't lose your cool, yeah. You really have to, like, you know, you can't deal with people. See, I got so distracted just now. I'm talking about something so intense. And I see mangoes. Ekta Deepak says Chennai has the best mangoes. Will send it for you someday. I'm going to wait. Should I learn tarot? Raksha says, should I learn tarot? Will I be success? I would suggest get a reading done from Ekta, Janki or Riya. Like, if you should learn tarot is not something I want to do a reading for. Get an unbiased opinion. I think people should learn tarot, but you should know if you're ready or not. Ta-da-ta-da. Should he go for name correction to make things go financially? Okay. Now, Shivika, that's a very interesting question. Name correction is for everyone to do because everyone has planets in their life. Everyone has planets in their name. And I am 100% sure you do not belong to that 2% or 3% category of people where your planets are all must and perfect. And in case you're one of those people, we will call you, we will email you, we will refund you, we will deduct an analysis fee and we will refund you the money and say, भैया आपको करेक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपका नाम ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट है. फिर आपको एक स्टार देंगे, गोल्डन स्टार, और बोलेंगे कि आपका नेम ऑलरेडी परफेक्ट है, आपका नेम ऑलरेडी मर्सिडीज़ है. So it is rare, I'm not gonna lie guys, it is rare because it's like going to, you know, like a skin specialist or a dermatologist, and the dermatologist says your skin is perfect, you don't need anything. You always need something, yeah. Like even if you have the perfect date of birth, the नाम में गड़बड़ होगा, surname में गड़बड़ होगा, वो चार्ट में गड़बड़ होगा, you'll need something additional, nickname में गड़बड़ हो सकता है. There are so many gadbads that are possible. So the chances of it being perfect is 2 or 3%. And sometimes a person doesn't need a correction, that 2 or 3%. But you know, it's an Khatara engine. It's like one of those i10 engines. Or like, you know, i10 is not so Khatara. It was my first car. So it's not so Khatara. It's like auto ka engine. Okay? So I'm not going to settle for auto का engine ना. I'm anyway going to change it and tell you, बस like Mercedes का engine रखो, मस्त है, smooth चलता है. So that's all I'm gonna say. So guys, please get a name correction done. Nevertheless, you know, it can't hurt. You do it once in a lifetime. And I'm telling you, my life changed after a name correction. I was my first testimonial. I was my first success story. I attract so much crap in my life. You know, in Sindhi we say mathe jo soor. Like, it was like a pattern, and numerology broke that for me. I'm so grateful to numerology. Okay. मन करता है अभी न्यूमरोलॉजी करने को. Like my love is so in numerology, you know. I mean, tarot is good for guidance and all. Um, Bharti says, I want to do the tarot class, but not right now. Bharti, you should do the class when you're ready for it. All right, don't feel pushed to do it just because I'm having a class now. I'm gonna have a class in November again. Make sure you join the tarot masterclass group, and whenever a class is announced, if I have some painful people bugging me, who knows, I might do a class before that. But I would love to see more tarot card readers, more authentic tarot card readers. You know, how many of my students go out there in the world and become successful tarot card readers? I can't mention their names because maybe they don't want people to know that they learned from me. A lot of them don't tell anyone because they feel that, you know, it kind of lowers their brand value. So I'm not going to like reveal that. But I feel proud when I see them doing well, you know, in the city, out of the city, different places, out of the country, and they're doing really well for themselves. I'm very happy. Divya says she wants to join my tarot class. Please go to link in bio. Okay, it's actually in bio. I think you go to my profile on Instagram, and instead of my website, this Telegram group link is there. But please download Telegram first. Telegram is so awesome. Okay, Akshara says, will I get a break in the film industry and how will my career be? Let's see, Akshara, what your cards say, whether you're going to get a break in the film industry. Nice, you know, chutku question. First of all, I think that you're going beyond a dream and you're kind of fantasizing about something. So I'm going to ask you to be a little realistic because frankly, like, I hate saying this because I'm always pushing people to like chase their dream, but I also see really, I feel really bad when people, you know, when they're heartbroken when their dream doesn't come true. So I don't want you to be heartbroken later, Akshara. So I don't see it. I think you should stop chasing a mirage. You know, we all chase a mirage at some point in our life, like crazy mirage. You know, that door is closed, वहाँ पे जाके धक्का मारेंगे. You know, so I'm just gonna say don't waste your energy on that. Okay, back to Facebook. Manvi says she started listening to my podcast. It's really very amazing. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. How many people know that tune? Like, this is like my generation wala tune. Dun, 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 dun. What should I do to attract good fortune or good karma? Oh, that's such an intense question. What should you do to attract good fortune, good karma? So good fortune is different from good karma, but good fortune, you need to have very good energy, prosperity energies, and for that you need to get rid of poverty consciousness. So join the 5D healing group. There's a lot more that happens there. So tough for me to tell you. It's a process. You know, it's like, I can't tell you in 2 minutes how to make biryani, you know. It's like that. Dun, dun. Okay, I'm scrolling right down because I don't think I can see so many. कितने questions pile up हो जाते हैं. Okay, guys, so many people are sending me messages. Guys, if you're not a sharer, I'm not even going to look at your question. आपको chance चाहिए तो please share this on all your groups, on your profile, and then only I will look at your question. Dimple Hemnani says, my husband Dominic and I are planning to start a new online business. Kindly guide if it's a good decision. Still not very sure. Come. No, nothing. I want water, cold water. I can't drink this garam pani, you know. I feel it's like drinking like fake chai or something. Like geyser se nikal ke kisi ne diya. I can't have room temperature water. I have to have cold water. I know it's bad for health. Like, people will give me all that gyan. but I think it kickstarts the metabolism. मेरा अपना एक theory है. What are you laughing for? Shian has a testimonial for me. Shian had an insect bite. Please show, no, please show. Come this side. Yeah, come. Okay, so Shian had a nasty insect bite on his neck here. Shian is my elder son, for all of you who don't know. Maryada Purushottam Ram. So he is, it's okay. He looks like one, something he looks like. He looks handsome. So Shian had this really nasty insect bite here, and it got infected, I think, or it got nasty. It got infected. Okay, the doctor said it got infected. And then he started putting a specially made dragon blood oil by me. Okay, I make something called dragon blood oil. It is used for people who have psoriasis. It is used for... Guys, have you noticed there's some gadbad with my English today? It's because I haven't slept too much. So I'm little like, you know, that sleep wala tipsy. So, okay, so he had a bite and it was like infected, and he went to the doctor after he put the cream, because he has doctor phobia just like me. I also have doctor phobia. अभी दांत में दर्द हो रहा है, हम डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाएंगे, बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तब जाएंगे. So we both have doctor phobia, and he kept putting the dragon blood oil for like 2 or 3 days. Then he went to a doctor because it started looking weird. And उसके बाद, how is MP Ram? It seems. God, MP Ram. MP Ram. Okay, so he put dragon blood oil, and then he went to the doctor finally. My husband took him and went. And the doctor said that yes, it's an infection. Yes, it's an insect bite. But whatever you're doing, it's working. What did you put? So he couldn't explain dragon blood oil. That my mom's a weirdo. She makes dragon blood oil. So my husband explained, you know, it's this, and it's got antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, antiprotozoal. So it has all these properties. Hence, it's very good for any infection. So I'm going to show you the thing, okay? See?
Hello everyone.
Look at him. लड़की के जैसे लग रहा है, ऐसे fringe के साथ.
How do I show?
Okay, see.
I think it was somewhere like that.
Yeah. And it's already dried up. You see that part there? There was a really nasty insect
I
bite.
think his cap just came off.
Yeah. And I look like a ghost.
It's just...
That's fine. So, oh, you can do that.
Yeah.
You can do that.
You didn't know.
No, I didn't know. It's so cool. You can do this. You can do this. Dun, dun, dun.
Watch it, that might
Another
become
one
your
bites the
cover.
dust.
That might become
Dun,
your cover.
dun, dun. Sorry. No, you can choose your cover later. It's okay, leave it. Okay, I'm just playing with Instagram. Sorry.
You can do this.
Where? This also you can do?
Yeah.
No.
Do.
Oh, you can do this. You can make it bigger. So cool. I didn't know we can do this. I just keep moving upar niche. So cool. I feel like, okay. I feel like, yeah. Laugh. He just laughed. हंस के गया मेरे ऊपर. So I was just having fun, like tripping over this whole zooming in and zooming out. मुझे नहीं पता था ये सब कर सकते हैं. Like technology is so cool, yeah. Okay. So thank you Moitri Paul. She says I'm such a super cool mom. शियान से पूछना पड़ेगा कितनी cool है ये mom. Oh my god, I thought it was a love bite when you did the parenting session. No, it was an insect bite, not a love bite. But maybe, you know, everyone thought it was Nikki that scratched him. I have a cat at home, so even we thought the cat had scratched him. And he's not gone anywhere, bichara, you know. I mean, it would have been good if it was a love bite. I would have felt like he's getting some, you know, he's having some fun in lockdown. But it was not even the cat. In fact, I make fun of him. I tell him he and Nikki, which is my cat, have a very toxic relationship. So, Machhar. Koramangla and Machhar. Okay. So, okay guys, so I'm going to do one more reading or maybe 2 more. I make everyone laugh. Okay. Mohit says, I'm attracted to numerology. Should I go for professional course? And do you teach the same? So Mohit, I do not teach numerology yet. Maybe someday I'll teach it, but I don't know. Get a tarot card reading to find out if it will work for you, not work for you. And if you're really interested in guiding people, start with something else. Start with like maybe healing, or start with tarot or something. And I have poor connection. Oh, sad. My live video ended. ये क्या है? ये क्या हो गया? Instagram पे ये क्या हो गया Instagram पे? My live video ended on Instagram, and Instagram is just frozen. Ta-dun, ta-dun. It's so weird, you know. There's nothing. Like Instagram is just gone. Instagram couldn't handle my phenomenons. Instagram couldn't handle it. उसको हजम नहीं हुआ. Okay, I'm gonna try to put Instagram on again because I have some people here. Hi guys on Instagram. I'm back. Instagram went crazy. Sorry. Okay, so nobody was there. I was just talking to myself. Okay, so all the people who are still waiting. Oh, 1 hour is done. Ouch. You know what? I'm not going to do a very long live video because it doesn't, there's some error it shows in saving the video when I go really long on Facebook. So I'm not going to do a really long live video. I'm going to do like 2 more questions. And anyway, like I'm not very excited today because I have only 300 people on my live video. So wait, I'm gonna look for my next question on Instagram, not on Facebook. I'm looking for a job change because whatever I studied is not useful in current job. Also far from my home. Please suggest that I can get a job near to my hometown. I don't know where your hometown is, Sahil, but I'm gonna answer that question. A lot of people are asking about the tarot class. Okay, a lot of people are asking about the tarot class, guys. This is not a hobby class. It's for people who want to pursue reading tarot. And yes, anyone and everyone can learn tarot. It is not rocket science. Ask Samir. He's on this live stream. He's learning tarot in this batch. It is not rocket science. Guys, you can ask other people here, you know, how simple the class is. Like the way you learn in my class, it just becomes like a breeze, like super easy. How can we work with you if we are in the US? Because nobody needs to work from my office. Everyone works remotely, and there are lots of people who consult from the US. So people in the similar time zone can be forwarded to you, and that's only after you finish an internship with our center. And the internship is not easy with our center because we also give you lots of gadha mazduri wala kaam. But that learning curve is crazy. Like my junior tarot card readers now are, you know, they are phenomenal. The amount of work they put in, I'm just like, you know, my senior team didn't put in that much. Yeah. So every team out-creates the next team. Every new team will out-create the next team. And trust me, there are people who are like working, I know of astrologers and stuff who are working like 12 hours a day. In times like recession, I'm going to tell you a secret. In times like recession, people need someone to talk to. All right? You go to a counselor, they're probably just going to nod their head. You're stressed out about your job, whom do you go and talk to? Astrologers will start talking about Kundali, Yevo. Tarot card readers will give you very like proactive, very, you know, realistic, very, you know, tell you what to do, how to do. No, don't do this, but this is like this. They're like a combination. A tarot card reader is like a combination between a divine guidance sort of a person who's so there's divine guidance and psychic ability. Then there's astrology and numerology and all that with prediction stuff. So there are predictions that come up in a reading, and there's a lot of coaching and counseling. That's a foundation. You know, it's tarot card reading is frankly very underrated compared to actually what it gives. And that's the reason all tarot card readers are busy during tough times. I remember in the year 2007-8 वो time पे recession जब हुआ, you know, our work went to like a whole next level. There's no, this is a recession proof work. So if you ever want to do something on the side, like, you know, you have a gift, you have a divine gift, you want to guide people, do it for half an hour a day. It doesn't matter, but you know, you'll have something that you can. Da-da-da-da. Okay, who is the person that I'm taking this question for? I happily forgot. This person who wanted to, क्या था इसका question? Yeah, Sahil Goyal. Far from my home and family. Please suggest whether I get a job near to my hometown. See, right now you can't be like, you can't choose. You're probably not going to get a job of your choice or a whole thing of your choice. So I'm going to suggest that you don't make any big decisions right now. I'm also seeing a lot of nazar, Sahil. Be very, very careful. बहुत nazar है आपके ऊपर. So be very, very careful. Nazar is one of the craziest things that people battle in this world. Nazar, black magic and psychic attack are one of the biggest obstacles that block people from achieving what they'd like to achieve. So many people, so capable, great numbers, great numerology, नाम भी perfect है, name correction हो चुका है, and you know, because of nazar they're like stuck in the shit pot, like they're stuck in a gutter. Why? Because somebody decided to take some shit and fling it on you. That's what nazar is. Negative energy, attack with negative energy on you, and you're not going to be able to be in your, like, you know, element if somebody flung some dirty crap on you. So that's what nazar does. It's like actually me taking, like, you know, itna sa shit and like flinging it on somebody. They're going to be sitting with all that shit on their head, and can they move? Like, you will try to like say, okay, you know what, I'm going to think it's not there, but your functioning is not the same. You're going to stink, you're going to be rotting, you're going to be, I don't know, I don't even want to think what it does. So that's what it does, guys. So all the people who are sitting on the wall, please, you know, who are wondering, okay, nazar has its own magic, please ask someone in the house to do nazar utaro. It really works. Yes, please do nazar utaro. Sameer is right. I always say even the chutku method of nazar utaro in the house does work. How do you balance your emotions? Please go to tarot.sheila.com and just put an appointment for a reading and ask one of my tarot card readers to do Bach flower therapy for you. Okay, I frankly suggest Ekta, because I've seen that she does more Bach flower sessions and she has more of a flair with it. So Swati, I'm going to suggest that you just contact Ekta. Go to tarot.sheila.com, or you can just, you know, join the 5D healing group. The links are given everywhere. It's all over the place. Just go to my Facebook, you'll find it. Matlab, it's not too difficult to find these links. And you know, you can ping Ekta there. On any one of my groups, you'll find Ekta there, I'm sure. How can I sign up for a reading numerology? There's a group for numerology as well, Dipali. We're automating the system now. Good news! We are automating the system for numerology, which means you'll still get a handwritten report by me, but you'll not have to call my office for every single thing. You'll just have to go to a link. You'll just have to put in all your details, pay, and then I'll get all that information. I'll finish your reading, your numerology. I'll upload a document. I'm becoming like super tech savvy. And then, so I have like these magicians who are doing like some technology cool stuff. And I've suddenly realized that I actually absolutely, you know, love technology. So that's what's being automated, and I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, I have so many questions and I don't know if I can take all these questions. I can't. So guys who didn't get your questions answered, please go to tarot.sheila.com. All of these questions here are like so heavy. You know, half the time I don't choose people because your questions are not, you know, like, your questions are not like, you know, chai biscuit. They're like biryani. So if you're not chai biscuit, then I can't do chai biscuit for you. So your questions are like, you know biryani. So you need to consult, do a full reading with Ekta Janki or Riya on tarot.sheila.com. Okay. Do amulets work? Yes, they work magic. Amulets work like wonders. Ta-da-da-da. I will again ping her for Bach flower therapy. Awesome. Someone heard me say something in Sindhi. I'm Sindhi. I don't know too much Sindhi. I speak all wrong Sindhi, but I manage. I can say a lot of secrets in Sindhi to my mom. Like I can talk to her in code in Sindhi. I'm happy I know Sindhi. Everyone should know their mother tongue. Everyone should feel proud. Like for many years, I know a lot of people who like feel some kind of a shame in who they are. You know, I think that a lot of people face that. Like someone feels shame in saying I'm Punjabi, somebody feels shame in saying I'm Sardar or I'm Sindhi or I'm Gujarati, because there's all these dumb jokes and judgment about, oh, if you see a snake and a Sindhi and then kill the Sindhi. I'm like, you know, I'll kill you first, not the snake or the Sindhi. Like what makes you think I'm waiting over there, like, you know, वहाँ पे ऐसे हलवा पूरी के जैसे. So, you know, seriously, like, you know, the first thing I think is really important is for people to embrace themselves. Like you're Sindhi, you're human, you're, you know, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, Yoruban, whatever you are, you know, whatever your religion or your faith is, you know, embrace yourself and start to probably find pride in who you are. Yeah, like if you're Sindhi, I have business in my blood. I know how to do numerology, automation. I suck at technology, but you know, I have a vision. Like I want to empower, like, you know, 1 billion people. That's too much, but no, it's not too much. That's me limiting myself. So yeah, you should always embrace yourself, whatever you are. Okay, I'm going to take one last question on Facebook. Embrace yourself. That's the key word. Okay, if you're Sindhi, embrace yourself. If you're Gujarati, embrace yourself and feel proud about your language, feel proud about your country, feel proud about whoever, whatever background you come from. Okay, there's no superiority, there's no inferiority anywhere. That's all just stuff, that crap that people put into your head, and that just is so meaningless. It is not easy to keep yourself embraced all the time. It is easy. It's not as difficult, yeah. It is not difficult at all. It is not, I'm telling you. Okay, one last person. Kamya Chugnani. I am a sharer and a top fan. 1 card for me, my career. Cool. And that's the winner of the last reading for today. So Kamya something. Sharda says, proud Sindhi. I love you, girl. I'm also proud Sindhi. I tell people, you know, so many people say, oh, you know, Sindhi like this, Sindhi like that, Sindhi like this. I tell them, you know what? You had to probably go to business school. Like, actually, this is my husband's dialogue. I'm just happily stealing it. You know, I tell him, oh, you know, you did this and you know that and you know this. And he says, you know what? I had to go to B school to learn business. You have it in your blood. And I just love that line. Like, it's so fadu. That's true, you know, he actually takes a business advice from me. Like, he's just amazed. Like, I have this business in Africa. And probably, like, uska dimag thoda aise satak gaya ki, you know. Like, when I went there and handled some stuff, he was like, oh, this is pretty cool. We didn't know Sheila could do this stuff. We thought Sheila could only do numerology. So yeah, I'm a natural with business, but this is something that I love doing. Like tarot, numerology, all of this is just heart and love, and motivational speaking is all that. Okay, so who was that girl that I just picked? I forgot her name now. Why is my memory so bad? Okay, is that her? Kamya Chugani? Is that her? I think it's her. Okay, so you know your name and you know if I chose you. The first thing you need to do is save money. Very, very important. Okay, very, very important for you to save money. Yes, I am blocking whoever you've asked me to block. मेरे bouncers हैं यहाँ पे. Nitin is gone. Don't worry, guys. Breathe. लंबी सांस लो अभी. लंबी सांस ले. लंबी सांस. Take a deep breath. Okay. You will always find assholes like that. Yes, we have blocked him. Namaste. We have blocked him. So I forgot that girl. I don't know who she is. I forgot your name now. But you know that I mentioned you, and you asked about your career. You need to save money, and you also need to find some balance in your life. I think there's some part of your life that you're overdoing. Hold on. मैं ना इसको okay, so I think you need to find some balance in your life. I also see a lot of emotional burden on you, which is unresolved. The emotional burden is sort of unresolved, and you have something that you have not communicated to someone. It's time for you to sort of deal with things that you have shoved under the carpet, bring them to the forefront and deal with it. So I forgot her name, Chugani or something. Kamya. Yes, Kamya Chugani. It's fine, I connected with your energy. I don't need to remember your name. So this is what I see, and career is going to do well, but it's going to take some time. Right now, it just seems a little stuck. There are some obstacles, but I can't go so deep into your career reading in this quick one question reading. But I am going to suggest that you get a reading done from one of my team members, and they are on tarot.sheila.com. tarot.sheila.com. I'm also going to suggest that you start doing the bay leaf ritual. I suggest a lot of people to do the bay leaf ritual. It cleanses yourself, cleanses your house, gets rid of doshas, gets rid of curses, gets rid of psychic attack, gets rid of black magic, gets rid of jinxes, hexes, bindings. You know, it just like goes poof, 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 poof. So many people come and tell me with just doing the bay leaf ritual, their life changed. So I'm going to suggest as many people as possible here, please do the bay leaf ritual. It is magic. All right. The next thing that I want to tell a lot of people here is that, do a BMR salt bath and a BMR soap bath. Cleansing your aura is very, very important. Okay, go to tarot.sheila.com if you want a reading, and if you want to get the bay leaf ritual thing, go to shop.sheila.com. Okay, I can't read for everyone here, guys. I can't read for everyone here. I'm really, really sorry. Like, it's impossible for me to read for everyone. Okay, but a lot of people who find themselves stuck in their life, you should get a tarot card reading done. tarot.sheila.com, and very, very soon you will find like a whole bunch of more names in that list of tarot card readers. So get a reading done. You will find a lot of clarity. The main thing is to follow what they ask you to do. When you get a reading, for all the people who have got a reading from one of my tarot card readers, you should, if you've got a reading done, first things first, be nice and please post a review of them. All right? If you've got a reading from one of them, that's the least gratitude you should show to them, is to write a review on tarot.sheila.com. It has an internal way to review them. So you can write a review. So do that and follow what they tell you. Because you can go to 5 doctors, and if you don't take the medicine that they give you, it's useless. There's no point. So make sure. And the bottle is here. The infamous bottle. Frozen bottle. So, yeah. Okay, let's see. Somebody is asking something, and then I don't know. Okay, Dimple Hemnani says she wanted to do an online business. I took your name and I completely forgot. ऐसे होता है. Okay, now I'm gonna I'm only going to do this one last question for Dimple. Okay, is it gonna work? Is it not? Yes, it will work. I think you need to be very careful with everything that you choose. You have to make all your choices right. The vendors that you take, the team that you take, the people you're gonna hire, the time, the strategy, the whatever you're gonna do, Dimple, make sure that you get a detailed reading done so that you're not going to make any mistakes here. But this is good. It's a good opportunity. Very good opportunity. So please nurture it. Go after it. Okay, I was saying something. Shauli says, yes, Samir, I have seen that, but I can't understand when to start that and when I have to put the dhania in the whole bartan. Okay, go and see the video. For the people asking about bay leaf ritual, go and watch my video on YouTube on the bay leaf ritual. Guys, it's very difficult to find it on Facebook. Go to YouTube, you'll find all the videos. Just look at the caption, you'll know what the video is about. If it says tarot live, don't look at that video. It'll have like, there are chotu videos, courtesy Samir Ali. He has been chopping these videos so sweetly for us, and now we have chotu baby videos. Okay, so I use a different deck of cards, darling. So you won't know what cards I use because I use a different deck of cards. And this is the first deck I teach. It's called the Osho Zen Tarot. Alright? And when I started doing tarot, I think I was one or two of the only people who use this deck. I also teach the Rider-Waite deck, but that's the second deck that I teach. I do not teach the Rider-Waite first. I teach the Zen deck because it's a foundation. So I'm going to end this live video with a message for everyone who always feels that they want to do something bigger, better for humanity or in their life. If you feel that you have a passion, if you feel you have a passion for empowering people, and you know you want that kick of being responsible to changing people's lives, like the kind of following I have or the kind of testimonials my tarot card readers get, if you've ever felt like you want to get something, like you want to feel like this thing, there's nothing more than empowering people through tarot, or learn healing, or learn something like do like a Feng Shui Vastu module, but it, you know, guiding people or, you know, doing some kind of a divination work is very gratifying. It's one of the most gratifying. If you're a number 2, 7 or 9, this could be your soul's calling. You might feel extremely empty, clueless and lost till the time you found something like tarot or healing or anything like that to empower people, because that is a part of your soul's calling. Until you don't do that, you feel like, you know what, life is empty and meaningless. And for the other people who have something more intense in their, maybe in their astrology chart, and you feel like your life purpose is to help people, work with people, probably this is your way to do that. You know, probably the fastest way to getting there. Astrology takes like some 3, 4, 5 years. This doesn't take as long. Alright, so join the tarot masterclass if you feel that you want, if this is for you. And for people on Instagram, it is the link of the Telegram group is in bio, so you can go to my profile, link in bio. That's what Instagrammers say. And for Facebook, you will find Samir is posting it here. When I post this video, you'll find the link to the Telegram group. Please guys, make sure you download Telegram before you click the link. Alright? Thank you for being on my live video, and milne ka samay samapt hua. So I will see you another day. Bye. I have tarot class tomorrow, so I gotta sleep, and I'm a guest speaker on some Rotary Mumbai thing, so I better sleep today because last night I hardly slept. Bye guys. And all the people who are upset, you could please go to tarot.sheila.com, get your reading. Yes, Radha, I know you're interested in a one-on-one session. Please go to tarot.sheila.com. And I don't read tarot anymore, my team members do. Need to learn and want to buy many of your products, but waiting to get back to work first. So Ekta, you don't need to get back to work to use my products because they anyway work. You're interacting with people, even on phone and on mail. Your energy goes through to them, not like physical appearance. ऐसा नहीं कि आप मेरा product spray करोगे और आपका नाक लाल हो जाएगा. Yeah, you know, you'll start looking like Shah Rukh Khan. ऐसा नहीं होता है. It works on your energy, and your energy is something that you perceive even from a distance. All of you guys are sitting in your house, but when I'm doing a reading for you, I'm tapping into your energy from a distance. So energy is something that doesn't have to be physical. Okay? Thank you all the guys on Instagram. Answer Nani's question. Who Nani? Waiting for my BMR eagerly. ये क्या है? Waiting for my BMR. मतलब? Nani's question. Lots of people call my mom Nani, so no, I don't teach pranic healing at all. I am not like a professional thing. I've studied pranic healing. I don't teach it. I teach Reiki and I teach other stuff. Okay, guys. Bye. Good night. I love you all. Take care of yourself and make sure that you listen to my podcast. All right? Don't forget. Bye bye.